Hey guys, so today I have my FabFitFun box for summer 2018. This is my first FabFitFun box, so I'm really excited to see these products. So let's get into it. First, we have a little magazine, I'm sure, that tells you how to use all the products and such. Okay, first thing in here is this thing from Pier 1. So this is a ring dish. It's like marbled with rose gold accents on the edges. So you could just put your rings in here, your keys, anything really, but it's really pretty. I like this. Okay, and the next thing in here is this Foreo Luna Fofo. Okay, so here it is. This is a cleansing device, and this is a new one. I guess it hasn't even come out yet, so that's really cool. These little sensors you put on your skin and it tells you what skin type you have, or how your skin is that day, I guess, and recommends how you can cleanse it. So that's really cool. I'm excited to use that. Okay, so the next thing is this Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with charcoal. So this is a hydrating body scrub, but it's just like this glob in there surrounded by oil. It doesn't smell bad, but it's not like the most appealing scent to me, but I'll definitely try it. Okay, and next is this Tartist Pro To Go palette. So this little baby palette, it's got 3 matte shades and 3 shimmer shades. This is really cute. So this would be nice for traveling, obviously. You just have nice basic matte shades and then nice basic shimmers. Cool. Definitely try that. And then I have the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner in black. Oh, look, it's got a little kitty. That's cute. Okay, so liner, palette, cool. Next is this Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. So this is an exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. So that's really cool. I will definitely use that. Next is this Coola Sport Sunscreen. Okay, so this is like a moisturizer and sunscreen in one. It has SPF 50. I've really been looking for a good facial sunscreen that will not break me out, because a lot of them do, so I'm excited to try that one. And then I have the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. This is an enzymatic cream exfoliator. Ooh, 2 exfoliators in one box. That's interesting. So this is like a mask exfoliator. The other one's a cleanser exfoliator. So lots of exfoliating is going to be going on soon. And then the last thing in here is this bag, makeup bag by Yumi Kim. Okay, so here is the inside, pretty spacious. And then the top part has little dividers for brushes, and then this to cover them, and then a little zipper pouch right here, and it looks like it comes with a coupon for $50 off 200 at yumikim.com. Enter code FabFitFun50 at checkout. Okay, so you guys can use that if you want. Looks like it's a universal code. But yeah, this is pretty cool for traveling. Nice big bag. And FabFitFun, every box they do, they highlight a charity This box's charity is for Wildlife Conservation Society, and the theme is Give a Sip, so they include a nice paper straw to reduce waste. And they say that if you go to their website and donate and pledge to give up plastic straws, then they will send you a free reusable stainless steel straw to try out. So that's pretty cool. This box, the value says it could range anywhere from $321.99 up to $367.99 depending on what you get. So I guess instead of the makeup bag you could have gotten a towel, and instead of the Tarte Pro To Go palette you could have gotten the Tarteist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour palette. Instead of the Enzyme peel you could have gotten a hair protectants treatment spray, and instead of the Enzymatic face rejuvenator you could have gotten a resistance band or a little wallet. And then instead of the body scrub you could have gotten a de-stress muscle gel or even a ring. So I really like my first box so far. I really like all the products. I will definitely try them out and use them. Let me know if you are subscribed to FabFitFun and how you like it, and I will see you in my next video.